Long division with number chips. This is the Halloween version. So this is a fun practice for students in practicing their long division steps. So slide 2 gives them the definition of dividend, divisor, and quotient. And then it shows where it goes in the formula. So here's an example, 43 divided by 5. Well, that first number, the dividend goes in the box or the house, whatever you want to call it. The divisor, what you're dividing by, goes outside the box. So it's just going to start with some practice of just placing the numbers correctly. So this is a pretty simple slide, but it does reinforce for the students where these numbers go. So they're going to use these number chips at the bottom of the screen. They're going to use every single one of these numbers. So 47 divided by 9, their 47 has to go here. 9 goes outside. 58 divided by 8, 58 goes in the box, 8 goes outside. And so if they have some numbers that don't fit, then they need to go back and look at that again. Then there's a slide that gives them instruction. Sometimes it's easier to remember the steps with the acronym DMSBR, Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And so it starts with division. So the first thing you're going to do is 19 divided by 4. Well, 4 goes into 19 4 times. There are going to be 3 left over. So the next step, now they know where to place the numbers. They're just going to do that first step, which is division. How many 9s in 47? And they're just going to click and hold to move the number chips. 9 goes 5 times in 47. There will be some left over. 58 divided by 8. 8 goes 7 times with some left over, and so on. So it's just the first step, division. The next step is multiply. So they're going to divide first, 47 divided by 9. So now they know where to place the numbers. And it's easier if they have any trouble moving the chips, just have them click on the outside or on the outside of the circle, click and hold, and then they can move it. So 47 divided by 5, we're going to divide first. 5 goes into 47 9 times. And then the second step is to multiply. So you're going to multiply those numbers on the outside of the box, and they get 45. So this is just the first 2 steps. Next slide, they're going to continue that problem into the next step, which is subtract. So again, they know where the numbers go, 47 divided by 9. They've already done the second step. 9 goes into 45 or 47 5 times. Then they multiply and get 45. So they've already done this on the previous slide. Now the next step is to subtract. They've multiplied, they've divided, they've multiplied, and now they subtract. 47 subtract 45, and they get 2. And now their answer, here's the quotient, or the answer, is 5, remainder 2. So again, they will use every single number chip on each slide. Then they got a few more to practice. 36 divided by 5. 27 divided by 6, and so on. And each slide, they do a little bit more on their own. So that's dividing with number chips, the Halloween version.